Hey there, it's Reagan from Prima Coffee, and today we're going to look at a product from Baratza's Baratza gear, the Encore Accent Kit. The Accent Kit is great if you're looking to add a splash of color to your very black, white, or gray coffee setup. You can tie it together with your favorite mug or maybe your V60, but either way, it'll add a brand new focal point to your coffee setup at home. The Accent Kit comes in 5 different colors: white, blue, green, yellow, and orange, and it features a base trim and a knob. Installing it is super easy. It takes less than a minute. First, all you do is remove the original knob. You take the trim out, and all it does is it kind of snaps on around the crease at the bottom, and you just press to make sure it's secure. And lastly, pull out your new knob. Make sure the D shape lines up with the one on the grinder, and you're good to go. Let it be noted though that the knob is only compatible with the Encore, but the base trim you can put on the Encore, the Virtuoso, or the Virtuoso Plus. If you're looking to spice up your home setup or your grinder, the Accent Kit is worth checking out, and you can find it online at primacoffee.com. Thanks for watching. Thanks again for watching. If you like what you saw, you'll be pleased to know there is much more content where that came from. You can check out our website for overviews, comparisons, recipes, and event coverage. And you can help out our channel by liking this video, subscribing, commenting, sharing, or ringing the bell. Happy brewing, y'all.